With decades of experience in compressed air technology, Sauer Compressors USA specializes in the manufacturing of medium and high-pressure air and gas compressors. We manufacture the most cost-effective and reliable industrial air-cooled compressors within a pressure range of 100 to 7,250 psi, 5.8 to 164.6 SCFM. Our air-cooled compressors are compatible with mediums such as air, nitrogen, helium, natural gas, and hydrogen. We produce a series of highly competitive and robust water-cooled compressors for the most extreme requirements. These compressors are ideal for industrial applications where operational constraints such as limited airflow, high ambient temperatures, and ambient noise restrictions must be taken into consideration. Our WP5000 military compressor model, trusted by the U.S. Navy, has earned its reputation as one of the most reliable compressors in the industry. Our 3- and 4-stage gas compressors deliver unmatched reliability and precision for a wide range of applications and offer pressures up to 7,250 psi. Our nitrogen boosters can be adapted to meet the requirements of each application to ensure maximum efficiency and minimal nitrogen loss. Haug compressors are 100% oil-free, absolutely dry-running, and hermetically gas-tight. The Haug line offers compressors tailored for various gases including SF6, nitrogen, oxygen, biogas, biomethane, hydrogen synthesis gas, refrigerant gases, ammonia, and carbon dioxide. Our oil-free compressor line is well suited in industries that demand the highest level of quality and reliability without compromising process purity, process safety, or environmental protection. We specialize in developing gas-tight helium compressors that operate continuously with an unrivaled leakage rate of less than 0.001 psi. Our state-of-the-art natural gas compressors allow for easy operation for many industrial applications, including vehicle filling stations, natural gas engine testing, and pipeline gas injection. We're able to offer solutions to meet virtually any installation application requirement. From standalone compressor blocks to one-off custom-engineered compressor packages. Our offerings include gas boosters, diesel drive compressors, sound dampening enclosures, weatherproof containers, skid-mounted, and high-pressure receiver packages. For those in need of an immediate temporary solution, leasing options are available from our diverse fleet of rental equipment, ranging from basic skid-mounted packages to containerized solutions designed for 24/7 continuous duty operation. Additionally, we have maintenance technicians available 24/7 to assist with spare parts, training, and repairs. We are ISO 9001 certified, and our inspection process has been qualified for U.S. Department of Defense MIL-I 45208A requirements. We serve the power generation, oil and gas, defense, power distribution, research and development, aviation, metallurgy, safety, mining, shipping, and processing industries. Experience the Sauer Compressors USA difference today and discover why we're the preferred choice for businesses around the globe. Contact us today.